Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to your Wednesday's Maths. So, boys and girls, what number have we been looking at this week so far? Yes, well done. It's the number 19. But today, boys and girls, we're going to be looking at a new number. Can you guess what number that is? We'll have to wait and see. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a little while. But first, boys and girls, let's get those maths brains nice and warmed up, ready. We're going to play a little game of one more or one less. So boys and girls, I'm going to hold a number up for you, and then I'm either going to say what is one more than that number or one less than that number, okay? So my first number for you is one more than 5. 6. 1 less than 16. 15. 1 less than 12. 11. 1 more than 19. 20. 1 less than 18. 17. 1 more than 23. 24. 1 more than 8. 9. 1 less than 10. 9. 1 more than 3. 4. And last one, boys and girls, 1 less than 6. 5. Well done. Okay, boys and girls, so we're now going to move on and have a go at our Learn It's. Can everybody see that at home? I hope so. Thumbs up if you can. Okay, so 1 add 1 equals 9 add something equals 2 add 3 equals 3 add 7 equals 3 add 3 equals 9 add 1 equals 2 add 2 equals 4 add 4 equals 7 add 3 equals 0 add something equals 5 add 5 equals 2 add 1 equals 6 add something equals 1 add 9 equals 2 add something equals 8 add 2 equals 1 add something equals 4 add 6 equals 4 add something equals 0 add 10 equals 8 add something equals 10 add something equals 3 add something equals 2 add 8 equals 10 add something equals 6 add 4 equals, and then last one, 7 add something equals. Well done. Okay, so boys and girls, our learning objective for today is I can partition and represent addition facts of 20. So to be successful in our learning, we need to think about what the number 20 looks like, thinking about how many tens and how many ones make up that number 20. We're going to use our maths toolkits to record different ways of partitioning the number 20. And then we're going to check that we have made the number 20 when we are adding numbers together. So before we start, let's have a look at the number 20. How many tens and how many ones make up that number? Yes, well done. There are 2 tens and no ones. And we can check that now by knowing that 20 add 0 equals, well done, 20. And another way that we could see this is 20 equals 20 plus 0. It's the same thing, but just looks a little bit different. Okay. So what does partition mean? Have a quick think to yourselves. What does it mean? Well done. Yes, it's splitting a number into smaller parts. We're breaking that number down. So can you think of any different ways of partitioning the number 20? You might need to pause the video and use your maths toolkits to use the different bits of stationery to help you. Okay, so we can use a tens frame. Now, how many tens frames would I need? Would I need 1 or 2? Well done, I'd need 2 to make the number 20. And how many circles am I going to put in my tens frame? Well done, yes, I'm going to need all 20 today. Now, how could I show that on a part whole model? What number would have to go at the top? Well done. Yes, the number 20. And what number would have to go in the first box? The first circle, sorry. Well done. Yes, the number 20. And what about the other circle? What number would I need? Well done. Yes, the 0. Now, went too far. Using Numicon, how many pieces of Numicon and what pieces of Numicon would I need to show the number 20? I've given you the first one. Now, what other piece of Numicon would I need? Well done. Yes, I'd need another 10. Well done, boys and girls. And last of all, we've already done this, but we could show it another way using our 10s and 1 pieces and our 10s and 1 grid. There we go. Okay, so I've got 2 pieces of 10 to make 20. Okay, so what does addition mean? Addition is adding numbers together to make a bigger number. Okay, so now, boys and girls, today we are going to use something that we have been practicing a lot of, and that is our number bonds up to 10. So our first number bond is 0 add 10 equals 10. And today, boys and girls, we're going to be making 20. So how could I use what I already know to make 20? Well done. Yes, I would need to add another 10. So what number would I start with in my number sentence to 20? Yes, I'd need 0, add, but it's not going to be 10 this time, it's going to be 20. Well done. So 0 add 20 equals 20. So what have we done there? Well done. Yes, we have added 10 to that number. So with boys and girls today, we really need to remember that we're adding 10 because it's really going to help us in our learning. So our next number sequence, a number sentence to 10 is 1 add 9 equals 10. Now, what would I need to do to that to help me make 20? Well done. So what number would I start with? 1, add not 9, but 19 to make 20. So 1 add 9 equals 10, but 1 add 19 equals 20. So what have we done there? Well done. Yes, we've added 10 to that number to make it 20. So the next one is 2 add 8 equals 10. Now, what would I need to start with? Well done. It would be 2 add, well done, yes, 18 equals 20. So again, boys and girls, we've added 10 to that number. Okay, so now I'm going to see if you've listened. So my number bond to 10 is 5 add 5 equals 10. So what would I need to do now? I'd start with 5, well done. So it'd be 5 add, well done, 15 equals 20. So my next one is 6 add 4 equals 10. So what would I start with? 6, well done, add 14, well done, equals 20. So I've added that 10 again, boys and girls. So boys and girls, that is our lesson for today. So your activity for today is, so the learning objective, I can partition and find and represent addition facts of 20. So the first part that you're going to need to do is, can you partition the number 20 into its tens and its ones using a tens frame? And then could you partition the number 20 into a part whole model? The second part of your activity is you need to solve the number sentences. So you've got the tens on the one side and 20 on the other. So you need to work through both. And then once you've done that, you're going to join them up with line to match them together. Okay. But boys and girls, if you find that a little bit tricky, you have got another activity. And this one is, I understand the number 20. So in the first part, I'd like you to trace over the number 20 to practice that letter formation. Then I'd like you to colour in the number, the word 20. Then the next part is you're going to draw 20 dots on your tens frame to make it a complete frame. Then I'd like you to try and partition the number 20 using your part whole model. Then again, you've got 3 jars. Now you need to work out what jar has 20 in there. So you need to count each jar, write the number, and then circle the jar that has 20 in there. And then the last one is, can you draw 20 peas for Jacob to eat? Have a go. Right then, boys and girls, it was lovely to see you today, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck, and have the rest of a lovely day. Take care, boys and girls. Bye-bye.